To record PC screen. If you're on Windows, then just go to the Start menu, open Microsoft Store, search OBS Studio and install it into your device. For Mac or Linux, you can search for OBS Studio and download from their official site. Once installed, open it. At Start, in the Scene panel, you'll already have a default scene. If not, click the plus icon to create one. Now, in the Source panel, tap the plus icon and choose Display Capture. If you want to capture other than display, then you can also select it. Now, go to Settings, Output, and check where your recordings will be saved. If you want to change it, click Browse and pick a new location. Now, tap on Start Recording and it will start recording the screen. And when you're done, just stop recording and go to that saved location and yup. Screen recorded successfully.